Today we're highlighting the Dell UD22 Universal Docking Station, a powerful USB-C hub. Let's explore the features that make this dock so versatile. Universal compatibility is one of its strongest features. A key advantage of the Dell is its ability to work with any USB-C notebook, regardless of brand. Enjoy seamless connectivity across devices from Dell, HP, Apple, Lenovo, and more. It's truly designed with flexibility in mind. Multi-OS support is another highlight. The UD22 works smoothly across Windows, macOS, and Linux, providing a consistent experience no matter what system you're using. Support for multiple monitors enhances productivity. Connect up to 4 4K monitors via DisplayLink technology. Ideal for those needing an expansive screen workspace, it boosts efficiency and visual clarity. Thanks to DisplayLink drivers, the dock ensures reliable performance with sharp, consistent quality across every connected screen. It's perfect for creatives, data analysts, and multitaskers. The dock also features a wide selection of ports. Dell has packed in everything you need for maximum connectivity. Multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet options give you flexibility to connect all your essentials. Power delivery is another strong suit. With up to 96 watts of charging power, your laptop stays powered up quickly and efficiently. No extra chargers needed and less cable clutter. It's ideal for busy professionals and anyone who needs fast, reliable charging. Whether you're traveling or at your desk, it's a game changer. With its mix of multi-monitor support, fast charging, and broad compatibility, this dock is a solid upgrade to any setup. A reliable solution for boosting performance and organization. Check the link in the description to learn more or pick one up for your own workspace. Available exclusively at Telquest International, your source for premium tech at unbeatable prices.